Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on a Sharp Smart TV. To do this, first we'll need to obviously power on our TV, so connect the power source to the power output on your TV, and then insert batteries in your remote on the back right here. It's I think 3 times A batteries, yep. Then when we have everything ready, there's a button. You can see the yellow label. There's a button underneath that. Click on that button and the TV should power on. And now finally we can proceed with the internal setup. So first choose the language. So in this case I'm going with English United Kingdom. Then we can quickly set up our TV with Android smartphone. If you have it and you want to do it like that, then click on continue. If you want to do it manually through TV, and I'm gonna do that, then click on skip. Now we can connect the Wi-Fi network with our TV, and in this case I recommend to go for 2.4G network for the first time, and maybe after that we can try connecting with 5G. When you have the password, click on OK. There's energy saving tips. Network connection may result in higher energy consumption. Will you keep it connected? And yeah, I'm gonna, so click on OK. Then there's some privacy policy terms and conditions, etc. Just accept all of them. You can try declining, but I think it won't work, so just go through accept. Make the most of your TV by signing in to Google account, and if you have one, of course you can do it by clicking on sign in, and in this case I'm gonna skip it. Then again, terms of service, accept. Did you know, view more, okay. Here, accept. Google Assistant, if you want to set it up, you also need a Google account, and I didn't log in, so I'm gonna skip the Google Assistant. Continue. Then there's install all of the following apps. If you want those apps, then sure, install them all. In this case, I'm gonna decline the installation, and then we can proceed. Here we have the introduction and walkthrough from all of the features on this TV, and I'm gonna go through them quickly. Of course you can read through it if you like. Now I think we can set up our Google Assistant. So first of all, you will need a specific button on your remote. Sadly I don't have it. Here's my remote. The button should look like it's shown on the bottom right there, and yeah, I'm just gonna skip that with back or OK, I don't know. Then there was a region, just pick whichever region you have and insert the admin password for your TV. It can't be 0000, so that means you need to put the password manually, like 1 2 3 4, and this should be enough. Then confirm it. And this is very important, since you can pick TV mode, and if you pick retail, it won't have all of the options like a normal home TV, so just go for home if you're planning on using it at home. Chromecast built-in always available. If you want, you can enable it, that way you'll be able to also always activate a Chromecast from your phone onto the screen. And in this case I'm gonna go with on. Do you want to continue? This option may result in higher consumption. Yeah, sure. Now we can scan for the channels if you use them, and in this case I don't have the satellite or antenna cable connected. That means I need to skip it, but of course you can go through the channels if you like. And the setup is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.